Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, I have already provided you a lot of informations, ideas and guidelines related with the poem Fire and Ice. Today, just after finishing that very poem regarding its explanation, today I have to select few stacked lines for you. So all of you carefully, minutely and seriously have to focus my today's videos and follow me. Extract based questions. Now read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow in one or two lines. It's the first examples for your support, like extract number 1. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Now my dear students, on the basis of these verses, try to sort out these all the problems. As the first problem here, like the people of the world think that the world will end in dash. First option for you, like here, fire and tsunami. Second, earthquake and cyclone. Third one here, like melting of glaciers. And number 4 here, like fire or ice. Now the second problem for you, like here, the poet's opinion is that the world will end in dash. First option for you here, like fire. Second, ice. Third, earthquake. And fourth here, like tsunami. Now it's the next question, like the third question for you, like find the word from the passage which means same as endless greed. First option for you here, like favor. Second, desire. Third, perish. And fourth, destruction. Now the next question for you here, who is the poet of this poem? First option for you here, like R.L. Stevenson. Second, Sarojini Naidu. Third, William Wordsworth. And last for you here, like Robert Frost. Now my dear students, on the basis of the exact theme of the poem regarding its all the verses, these will be the exact answers. Like for question number A, its exact option as option number 4, fire or ice. Now the answer for problem number B here, like its first option, fire. Similarly, the exact answer for question number C, like its option second, desire. And at last, question number D here, the exact option will be option number 4, like Robert Frost. Now my dear students, I am sure that all of you will be in position to sort out these problems correctly on the basis of example first that I have provided along with its exact solutions. Now the first problem for you, like step number 2, and the verses here like, but if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Now, on the basis of these verses, it's the first question for you, like who has written the above lines of verses? First option for you, like Robert Frost. Second, Ruskin Bond. Third, Adrian Rich. And fourth, like Carl Sandburg. Now it's the second problem for you, like hatred, coldness and rigidity are the symbol of, first option for you here, like water, second fire, third ice, and last it's the wind. Now as third question, like she, find the word from the passage which means the same as to die, and its option like here, first option for you destruction, second favor, third desire, and fourth perish. Now as the fourth problem here, like problem number D, and the question here like the poet thinks of what? First option for you here hatred, second love, third development, and fourth destruction. Now my dear student, try your best to sort out these all the problems correctly. Next day we will have to start next topic for you. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.